right, hi everyone. Welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. Okay, it does seem like I got a little bit more than I normally do. So I have a haul for you today from Walmart. So come on with me, guys. Now, this video is a part of a collaboration called the FOODIE GROCERY HAUL, and that's being hosted by myself, Simply Grace Lifestyle, or sometimes I use my main channel, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. We also have Jean Home Decor and more. We have Debbie Bubbles, Decorating with Jazzy Green, and we also have my Mountain Home and Kitchen, so I hope I didn't forget anyone. So let's get started here. For some reason, I did buy a little bit more than I normally do. Let's see. All right, so I just got some chocolate chip cookies, great value. They're not bad, guys. They're pretty good, and I buy them for my jar. And it's funny because my son always says, you always say you buy them for a tea party, and then we wind up eating it. And then right before the tea party, I gotta buy some more. I'm sorry, I'm silly today. Okay. Moving on, so I got a dozen eggs, cage-free white eggs from a Walmart. Let's see, then we have, this is the deluxe sliced cheese that I normally get. Okay, this melts very nicely too. I also got the great value sharp cheddar, the finely shredded cheese. We use a lot of cheese in this house. I've been buying this coffee, guys. To me, this is not bad at all. Classic roast decaf. So got 1 can of that, and I haven't bought these cocktail peanuts in a while, but I usually like to snack on that. Now this is something new. We're gonna try that, and then I'm gonna let you know how that tastes. Okay, I like egg rolls, and so I decided to get this. It's ramen. No added MSG. I just wanted to try this, guys, and it's hot and spicy, so I got 2 of them. Matthew and I been really liking those lately. Now, and you have to watch because that's high in sodium, so we don't have those often. Okay, so heavy cream, you know, that's the staple here, just like the cheese. Okay, let's see. Now I got a bag of the long grain rice, the great value. I need to get a really, the big bag, the huge bag from Sam's Club. I haven't been able to get there lately. Now, let's see. So we got the Mission Zero net carb tortillas. I use these all the time. Then we got some Hormel chili seasoning. Now, I like this. Like, I like real crab. But every once in a while, I like this Louis Camp Crab Delights. I like that. So I'll have that in like a little salad. Okay, so we got the Rotel, the fire roasted diced tomatoes with green chilies. I got one of those. This one is the fire roasted tomato salsa. I got one of those. And then I never had chili beans. Well, it's red beans in a chili sauce. Well, we're making chili, so I grabbed one of those. Then this is the fire roasted tomato salsa. So let's see, we got the salsa, we got the chili beans, and we got the salsa here too as well. So I got 2 of the salsa, okay, and 1 of the chili beans, and the Rotel, because this one has green chilies in it. Then I decided to get the pure pumpkin. I decided to get some corn. Let's see, I think I got 2 cans. Yep, 2 cans. And my dishwashing liquid, I got this little small one. Actually costs $1. So here's what I gotta say about that. At Dollar Tree is gonna cost $1.25, and Walmart has this one for $1. I do believe it's the same size. I'm just topping off the one I have in the kitchen, the jar, and then I got another one of the pine salt lemon scent. Here's what I found strange though. I went in, I wanted to get some Comet, and they had no Comet item in the aisle. So I don't know what's going on with that. I specifically went in that aisle for the Comet, and they didn't have any. So I always like to make my own keto coleslaw. So I got I'll use any kind of shredded cabbage, but I like to get the tricolor, so I got one of those. Then I grabbed today the oats and honey granola. So guys, if you like granola in your yogurt or your cereal, that tastes so good. All right. So we got some more of the Urich smoked sausage. I got 2 of them. Okay, then I got 1 garlic. These are $1, guys, at Walmart. So again, from Dollar Tree would be $1.25 or more. I'm not sure. I haven't gone in that aisle lately, but either way, it's still 25 cents more at Dollar Tree. You're better off getting it at Walmart. So I got chili powder, and then I got some Italian seasoning. So got those 3. Matthew seems to be liking, I season it anyway. Guys, I doctor this stuff up anyway. So I got the classic Alfredo sauce. I got 3 of those jars. Now we'll be making a cake, the Devil's Food Cake. This one is the 0 sugar. Okay, the Devil's Food Cake. So I'm gonna be making some of that. And then I grabbed some Kraft mac and cheese. I just grabbed 2 of those. So let's see, I showed you that. Then we got the pure packets. So this is organic stevia, and I probably should have got 2 of those, but Matthew's been having that lately. So here we have the keto friendly bread and Better Goods. See, Walmart had the Great Value keto bread, but they don't have the Great Value keto bread anymore. They have the Better Goods brand. Okay, so if I have to have it, I will, but the Great Value brand was better tasting. They don't have that anymore. I don't know why. So we did need some paper towels. I got 1 pack of that and some bathroom tissue. I got some of that, Scott. So I did get some of these. When I'm having like chili or any kind of stew, I like to crumble some of these tortillas. I don't know why. I just like to have tortillas with any kind of chili or any stew. Okay, so I got the sliced white bread because when I can't get the big one, usually when I can't get this one, but since Matthew eats regular bread, I got one of those. And then this Italian bread, guys, remember I used to show this to you, it's $1.47 now. It used to be $1, but now it's $1.47. I got 3 of those. Remember, you put these in the freezer. This makes a great emergency thing to have because you can split that open and make pizza. You can do so many things. Garlic bread, anything. You can make sandwiches. You can do so many things with Italian bread. And when it was $1, what a steal that was. And my Nala likes to have bread. She absolutely loves bread. Now, I did get some potatoes because we're going to be making some stews, and I already showed you the cookies. So that's a big joke here. All right, so I hope you enjoyed the shopping haul. Oh, and I did spend, I'm going to say, if I round up, I spent $160 on all of this. The only thing I didn't show you was the dog food, which is the pedigree dog food for Nala and Nina, and that's pretty much it. So all of this was $160. All right, so I hope you enjoyed the shopping haul as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.